Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today, we delve into the nuanced art of accent wall decor, especially talking about the accent wall decor ideas. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Are you tired of staring at blank, uninspired walls? Do you crave a space that reflects your unique style and personality? Then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the transformative power of accent walls, revealing 10 jaw-dropping ideas that will revolutionize your interior design. Prepare to be amazed as we unlock the secrets to creating focal points that will elevate your home from ordinary to extraordinary. An accent wall, in its essence, is a single wall within a room that is treated differently from the other walls. This differentiation can manifest through color, texture, material, or pattern, creating a focal point that draws the eye and establishes a distinct aesthetic. The purpose of an accent wall extends beyond mere decoration. It is a strategic design element used to manipulate the perception of space, highlight architectural features, and imbue a room with personality. The rationale behind specifically decorating an accent wall stems from its capacity to transform a space. By concentrating visual interest on a single plane, we can mitigate the monotony of uniform walls, thereby adding depth and dimension to a room. Furthermore, accent walls can serve as a canvas for artistic expression, allowing homeowners to experiment with bolder design choices without overwhelming the overall ambiance. They can also define distinct zones within open-plan layouts, creating visual partitions that enhance functionality. In essence, a well-executed accent wall elevates the spatial experience, fostering a more engaging and visually compelling environment. Now, let us examine 10 exemplary accent wall decor ideas, each selected for its potential to enhance a variety of interior styles. One, textured plaster or Venetian plaster. Textured plaster, particularly Venetian plaster, offers a sophisticated and tactile dimension to an accent wall. The layered application of plaster creates a nuanced, organic surface that reflects light in subtle ways. This technique is ideal for spaces aiming for a luxurious, old-world aesthetic. Its inherent depth and variation provide a sense of timeless elegance, making it a compelling choice for formal living rooms or master bedrooms. The ability to customize the color and finish allows for seamless integration with existing decor. 2. Wood paneling, or slatted wood. Wood paneling, whether in traditional raised panels or contemporary slatted designs, introduces warmth and natural texture. Slatted wood, in particular, offers a modern, minimalist appeal, creating a dynamic interplay of light and shadow. The selection of wood species and stain can dramatically alter the ambiance, from rustic charm to sleek sophistication. This option is particularly well-suited for spaces that prioritize organic materials and clean lines, such as Scandinavian-inspired interiors or minimalist living areas. The vertical lines of slatted wood can also visually elongate a room. 3. Large-scale mural or wallpaper. A large-scale mural or wallpaper, especially those with botanical or abstract designs, provides a dramatic focal point. These options allow for the introduction of vibrant colors and intricate patterns, transforming a wall into a work of art. The scale and complexity of the design can set the tone for the entire room, dictating the color palette and stylistic direction. This is a powerful choice for spaces that seek to make a bold statement, such as dining rooms or entryways. Ensure the rest of the room is relatively subdued to allow the mural to truly shine. 4. Brick or stone veneer. Brick or stone veneer, whether natural or faux, adds a robust textural element to an accent wall. This option is particularly effective in creating a rustic or industrial aesthetic, evoking a sense of history and permanence. The natural variations in color and texture inherent in stone or brick provide visual interest without the need for Additional ornamentation. This is ideal for spaces that aim for a grounded, earthy ambiance, such as family rooms or kitchens. The inherent durability of these materials also makes them a practical choice. Five, gallery wall with framed art or photography. A curated gallery wall, composed of framed art or photography, offers a personalized and dynamic accent. The arrangement of frames can be tailored to reflect individual tastes and interests, creating a visual narrative that evolves over time. This option allows for the incorporation of diverse styles and mediums, from classic paintings to contemporary photography. This is a versatile choice for any room, particularly living rooms or hallways, where it can serve as a conversation starter. The ability to easily swap out pieces allows for continuous reinvention. 6. Mirrored wall panels. Mirrored wall panels create a sense of spaciousness and luminosity, reflecting light and expanding the perceived dimensions of a room. This option is particularly effective in smaller spaces or rooms with limited natural light. The reflective surface adds a touch of glamour and sophistication, making it suitable for formal dining rooms or dressing areas. Consider using antiqued or tinted mirrors for a more nuanced effect. The placement of mirrors should be strategic to maximize light reflection and avoid visual clutter. 7. Fabric wall hangings or tapestries. Fabric wall hangings or tapestries introduce a soft, textural element to an accent wall, adding warmth and visual interest. These options allow for the incorporation of intricate patterns and vibrant colors, creating a focal point that is both visually appealing and tactile. This is a versatile choice for any room, particularly bedrooms or living rooms, where it can contribute to a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The ability to easily change fabric hangings allows for seasonal or stylistic updates. 8. Shelving or built-in units. Shelving or built-in units, when strategically placed on an accent wall, provide both functional storage and visual interest. The arrangement of shelves can be tailored to display books, artwork, or decorative objects, creating a personalized and dynamic display. This option is particularly effective in living rooms or home offices, where it can serve as a focal point, while maximizing storage capacity. The integration of lighting within the shelving can further enhance its visual appeal. 9. Geometric shapes or patterns painted directly on the wall. Geometric shapes or patterns painted directly on the wall offer a modern and graphic accent. This option allows for the incorporation of bold colors and dynamic designs, creating a visually striking focal point. The precision of painted patterns provides a clean and contemporary aesthetic. This is a versatile choice for any room, particularly children's rooms or contemporary living spaces. The use of stencils or painter's tape can ensure clean lines and precise execution. 10. Living wall or vertical garden. A living wall or vertical garden introduces a natural, organic element to an accent wall, creating a vibrant and dynamic focal point. This option not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of a room, but also improves air quality and promotes a sense of well-being. This is particularly effective in urban environments where access to outdoor greenery may be limited. The selection of plant species should be tailored to the specific lighting and humidity conditions of the room. The strategic implementation of accent wall decor can dramatically transform a space, adding depth, dimension, and personality. By carefully considering the material, texture, and pattern, homeowners can create a focal point that enhances the overall aesthetic and functionality of their interior design. We encourage you to experiment with these ideas and discover the transformative power of a well-executed accent wall. Thank you for joining us on Interior Decor Designs, and there you have it, 10 incredible accent wall ideas that will breathe new life into your interiors. Remember, your walls are a canvas waiting to be transformed. Don't be afraid to experiment, to push boundaries, and to create a space that truly reflects your unique vision. By incorporating these accent wall strategies, you can elevate your home's aesthetic and create an environment that is both visually stunning and deeply personal. Thank you for joining us on Interior Decor Designs. If you found these accent wall ideas inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more expert interior design tips and tricks. Share your favorite accent wall ideas in the comments below and let us know what you'd like to see in future videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.